Hi traders, good morning. It's Forex Nelson, and I'm back doing another 2 trades. This is Friday, March the 8th, non-farm payroll. I didn't bother with the non-farm payroll today, as I only got to the computer about 9 o'clock this morning, which is an hour and 15 minutes ago. It only took me a few minutes to make a decision on what I want to trade, and this is what I pulled up. I've been in the trade now for about an hour, and it looks like it's motoring right along. I love trading with the pip trigger. It does this every day for me. Very few losing trades. As long as you follow the rules, you'll get a very high success ratio. Not sure how much longer I'll stay in the trade, but as I said, one of the trades I got in at 9:15, and the other one was around 9:30, and it's 10:15 at the moment. It's moving along quite good actually. I actually moved my target out of the way. Target's normally 40 pips. I'm up 47 pips on the pound New Zealand, and on the pound Aussie I'm up 37 pips. Not sure how much longer I'm going to stay in the trade, but hey, as long as I start seeing this kind of price action, I may as well hang around a little bit longer. I do have training videos that actually show you and tell you how you should either stay in the trade or whether you should get out of the trade or not. Forex Nelson is back. I decided to close both trades for no real particular reason. It's just I was happy with the pip totals, and I'm in the trade for roughly an hour, and I'm just basically happy with the totals. Now I did take the pound Aussie. I got in right at this cursor right here, which was approximately around 16, that's 9:30, around 9:35. I have my standard 20 pip stop here, and I just closed the trade out with 35 pips. So on the pound Aussie, that produced an even 3,500. Now on the pound New Zealand, same thing. I got in the trade at 10 after, actually down here 9:13. Closed. I got in at this cursor, and I just closed the trade with 44 pips. So that's approximately 79 pips. I know it can keep going down, but that's okay. This I got more than my 40 pip target according to my auto stop EA here. As I said, I'm very happy with that. For roughly an hour's work today, for $710. Pip trigger just keeps producing results like this every day, less than even 1 out of every 10 trades. And if you follow the rules, you can have an extremely high success ratio the same way. So if you want to bring your trading to the next level, I suggest you get your hands on the pip trigger. And you want to know more about the pip trigger, all you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a write-up similar to this. It's my pip trigger full package. I do charge $250 for it, and you will get an exact copy of my pip trigger put onto your MT4 platform. It doesn't have to be Vantage FX, which is the one that I use, but it will look exactly like this. There is 12 versions of my pip trigger. Basically you're buying one of my pip triggers, and I give you 11 bonus ones. So they're all good. I have my favorite, and that actually works out to $20 a system. It's pretty cheap. There are 15 MT4 templates along with 21 custom indicators, and there's 4 meters. They all work the same way. I have my favorite, and you can pick from the 4 and take your favorite. Looks like I got out at a pretty good time. So the pip trigger is very good. It shows me when I should get in and when I should get out. Now there are a lot of PDF books for you traders who like to read, along with Word documents, 136 Word documents and 132 PDF books. But the one that you really need, if you're like me and you like watching videos, and this is why I do a lot of videos. I enjoy doing them. It took me at least 1.5 years to put 360 training videos. In every video, pretty well anyhow, I try to teach a little something that'll help your trading. That's why it's important that you watch all the videos, so you can capture and understand many different tips, because there are many different ways to trade, as you can see, and I do teach many ways to trade using the different systems. So there's training on each one of these pip triggers. So anyhow, and don't forget the mini $1 million trade plan. I got 2 traders who said they're gonna start it this month, and hopefully they're gonna turn $1,000 into $1 million by Christmas of this year. That's for your traders who don't have a lot of money, but they want to become a millionaire as quickly as possible. The numbers don't lie. As long as you can do 1 trade a day and get 10 pips, and in less than an hour, or approximately an hour, I got 79 pips. Remember, you only need 10 pips. So in the pip trigger every day is pumping out a lot more than 10 pips. So if you have any questions on the $1 million trade plan and or the pip trigger, and if you would like a free session, I have no problems doing that. You must get in contact with me. You can either call my cell directly or send me an email. And I do prefer Skype. And lately I've been using Zoom. I had a guy last night from the States, and he preferred to use Zoom. And Zoom works great, actually. Audio and video is very good on it. So either one of those is good for screen sharing. But I do prefer Skype, because this way here I can keep track of all the traders that I talk to, whereas Zoom, it's a little bit more difficult to do that. So that just about wraps up this Friday trading. As I said, I did not do non-farm payroll, but it had mixed results. It was positive and negative, and that's why it jumped around. So I gave a warning yesterday, be careful for non-farm payroll. I don't have a problem trading it, but I prefer to wait, 5 to 20 minutes after the news, and it stabilizes, and then the pip trigger will tell me whether I should be buying or selling, depending on the pair you're looking at. This, like I said, wraps up this video. And speaking about this video, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, which will be either Sunday night or Monday morning, I want to wish you good luck in your trading, and bye for now.